a diode has two parts, whereby we have the anode part, then we also have the cathode part, whereby the cathode part is the one which is having a white strip which is surrounding the diode. Then this side which is having black, that's the anode part. And now when we want to test this diode, you have to make sure that the red testing lead has to be this side where there is positive, where there is black body. Then this side where we have the white strip has to be the negative. So when we are testing that, you have to know that the blacker one is this side where there is white strip. Then the positive one has to be this side where there is black, where the body is black. So when we are testing this, we have to change it where there is a symbol of a diode. This is the symbol of a diode, the symbol for diode. So we change this testing, this knob here, to where there is a diode symbol. This is a diode symbol, a symbol for diode. Then after, you bring this this testing lead, the blacker one, we put it to this side where there is white strip. Then this red one here you are seeing, we put it this side. Then we shall get a reading.